Friday, March 30th. I wanted to show you this. It's almost like Angeles City is shut down for business. It's quiet. There's not much traffic. Here, let me show you. Let me take a walk and I'll show you here. I'm right up here on MacArthur right now. And you can see there is not much traffic. It is right around 1 o'clock. You can walk across the street, not even have to worry about getting hit. I mean, there's just absolutely not too much going on. I mean, you got your, of course you got your hotels that are open. You got your fast food restaurants that are open, you know, McDonald's and, you know, some of your other restaurants. Now, the one restaurant we usually eat at, Puzzles, they close at 3 o'clock today. So, you know, like I said, some are open, some are closing early, but even across your street here, guy that does the Lechon right there, now he's opening. Looks like he's starting to open. But the other one right there, that's closed. I mean, you can see you got M Lawyer over here. They're closed. You can, like I said, some are open. I guess it all depends. You got the Mercury drugstores open. I guess it all depends on your religion and if you want to stay open or you don't want to stay open. It's up to you. You know, all these are closed here. Even yesterday, Thursday, it seemed like a lot of them were closed. But yeah, it's kind of eerie. It's kind of weird. Even the guys that do construction, the condo area that they're building behind our place, there was nothing going on there. Nobody was working. It was actually quiet this morning. You could usually hear them. Bank's closed. Like I said, it's Friday. But you know what? Jollibee's open. We'll take a walk up here. Walk up to the circle. Jollibee's always open. Even the mall's closed today. If I'm not mistaken, the mall's closed today and Saturday. But all these stores here that are usually open, you know, they're all closed. Massage place is open. Those will never shut down. You guys, and there's another thing that's open, and it is open 24/7. It is open rain or shine. It is open during typhoons. It is open during hurricanes. It is open during earthquakes. It'll be open when Pinatubo explodes. This place will never shut down. And the place I'm actually talking about is right here. Sin City Walking Street. It will never be closed. It'll be open 24/7, 365 days a week. The bars are not going to close. The bar owners are not going to close it. It's all about making money. Keep on strolling down. All these are closed. Even the corner here where they sell the fruit and everything, right here on the corner, that's all closed. 7-Eleven's open. Beauty salons are closed. A lot of stuff down through there is closed. There's a fruit stand open. Little bakery's still open. Mr. Donuts is still open. I talked to Lut earlier. She said it's kind of quiet and dead where she's, you know, at the store there, but she said they're actually, you know, people are actually still buying a few things. I noticed a few sorry stores coming up here that were open. Like I said, I'll take a little stroll down here to the circle. You know, I've noticed this in the past, like come Sunday, Monday, you know, the start of the Holy Week, Babas and everything, It's like a big festival, you know. If you're following my channel, you're seeing it. You know, people out on the streets, people eating, drinking, having a good time. Then gradually, as the week comes on, it just slowly, basically turns into, you know, like a ghost town where it's really quiet, nothing really going on. Actually got the police over there. They've been pulling motorcycles over. That's a checkpoint right there. Oh yeah, here's the circle. Like I said, it's around 1 o'clock, give or take, somewhere around there. And this is usually packed full of people just, you know, driving around and going to wherever, work, school, whatever's going on. The traffic is so dead I could walk right across there to the other side and not worry about getting hit. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to. There we go. Now you couldn't do this during the week or even on Friday like today. Yeah, you'd never do this. Yeah, here's the checkpoint. I don't think they're too excited today about pulling too many people over. But if you get pulled over, you're fine if you got all the paperwork. You got your license, registration, all the good stuff that you need, and you don't have to worry about it. Now, I know a couple days ago I read where somebody had gotten shot here and killed somebody with a smiley sticker on their motorbike. Shot and killed a Filipino, and evidently I think the girl that was with him also got shot. The Filipino died, and the day after that happened, I noticed there was multiple checkpoints all over. Even at Clark, as you were entering and exiting Clark, they had, you know, checkpoints set up there. So they're after this guy, whoever he is. Oop, almost fell. Almost took myself out. Yeah, this is usually full of vehicles all parked through here. You can see all these are closed. Open. And of course, the street that never sleeps. There, street that never sleeps. Walking street. I'd walk up in there and show you, but a lot of guys get sensitive if there's a camera in their area. You know, so I won't walk up there and show you, but the street that never sleeps, open for business. And then you got McDonald's, they're open also. So I just wanted to show you the little area and show you MacArthur and show you what's going on Friday of Holy Week. All right, guys, I am with Lut right now. There she is back there. And we're gonna walk up here to the 4 Points and see what stores are open and what aren't open. Came through here earlier and there was a lot of stores closed. So I don't know if they're gonna open up this evening or if they're gonna stay shut, but we're gonna head up here now and check out the 4 Points. You know, another thing I seen too, I don't know if I said this before, but the the jeepney terminals, they were empty. There weren't many jeepneys running today too, so. But anyways, we are heading up here to 4 Points to see what's going on. Anything to say, Lut?
Hi.
Hi. All right. Check out this car. car was sitting here about a week ago. It was up on blocks, no tires on it. Now they, looks like they tore out the engine and tore it all apart. I don't know what's going on with that car there, but it's being tore apart. These restaurants, these sorry store here on the left, they're all closed up. Closed. Hello. The eatery is closed. These stores are all closed. The barber shop is closed. That's I think they sell meats and food and stuff out there, meats and stuff. Here's the young couple.
That's a meat there.
This is a food store. They sold food, sell food in there. That's all closed up. This is another, like, sorry store.
It's a meat.
That's meat in there also? Okay.
The meat one. The other one is a karinde or something.
Oh, yeah. Well, it should be saying what's going on. This, they sell vegetables and stuff. Another sorry store. That's closed, as you can see. That little store right there is open. She sells little knickknacks, little toys and things like that. These couple stores here are open, as you can see. This store here is closed. They sell what? Fruits, vegetables, meats and stuff like that? Yeah. Rice and all that other stuff. You really got to watch here. They got the roads all full of stink water. Watch, banana guys here. All these little stores are closed. This is a barbecue stand. That's closed up. More food stores, food stands down through here that are closed up. And we'll see if the tilapia is open. Tilapia might be open. I'll have to go check them out. Another store, they're closed. I think this is barbecue, I'm not sure, they're closed. But yeah, you see it. We will head back the other way. All right, back up at 4 Points again. That's just nasty. That's big time stink water. These stores are all closed, as you can see. The bakery's open. Their little bakery's open. But all these stores here are closed. Hello. And as you can see, the other side of the road, all those stores are also closed. So, what do you got to say, Lut?
Huh?
What do you got to say?
Well, I'm black. It comes to camera. I don't know what. Everything is closed.
Everything is closed. Angeles City is closed for business,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You guys, I want to show you this here. Started raining. This is our street here. And it is a small little river going through here. As you can see, it's actually a drained ditch right there, so the water is somewhat draining there, but it is a river of stink water. Because you know what? Up the street there, 4 Points, it's where all that nasty stink water was. So that's all washing down the street, so it's at least going to clean the street off, but a river full of stink water. We just sent Lut's brother up the road to get some grilled fish. I just hope it stops raining when it's time to leave, because I'd have to walk through that. And you can see the debris floating down the river. All right, guys. I'm going to call this one a wrap. Hang on, we'll watch this car come down through. Either a car or a trike. You can see the water. It's a car coming down through here. Alright guys, I'm going to call this one a wrap. Tomorrow's another day. It's Saturday. Journey continues and we will see you then.